Hello, everybody. Good day. And in my name is Coach Promise, and in this video, I am going to be explaining to you the second alternative for opening a USA bank account. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing it in slideshows. Okay, so because I actually tried screen recording and it was actually the quality was really bad, so I had to use this alternative. So what you're going to do, you're going to come on your browser, then type gigpay.africa.com. So that's the app, that's the website we are going to be using, gigpay.africa.com. When you type that, this is what you're going to see. This is the this is the interface you're going to see. Okay, so now you're now going to go ahead and click create an account. Look at create an account here. You're going to go ahead and click that. So once you click create an account, this is what you will see. So you're now going to select I am a freelancer. You're going to select it here. I am a freelancer. So when you select that, this is what you're going to see. Make sure that here is checked at Nigeria. Okay. Then once you're done with that, okay, once you're done with this, sorry, let me go back. Once you're done with I am a freelancer, once you select that, you click continue, then you now come here, then enter your email. Okay, once you enter your email, you can leave this part. Once you enter your email, they'll now tell you that okay, wait, sorry. You enter your email, then if you scroll down, you see continue. Then once you click that, they'll now send a code to your email. So you're going to check your email. Please be precise about this. I'm going to show you. Inside your email, they're not just going to send it as inbox, please. That's what makes most people make as mistake. They're going to be checking their inbox for the email, but you're going to go to your spam. Okay, you're going to go to your spam, and then inside your spam, you're going to see it there. Bella from GeekPay. Okay, Bella from GeekPay, email verification. So you're now going to open this email. When you open that email, this is what you're going to see. Okay, the email is opening now, it has opened. So when you open it, this is what you're going to see. If you scroll down, you're now going to see your code. So you copy this code and then you're now going to copy the code, then bring it back here to where they told you to put the code. So you put it here, then you click continue. So it will show you that it's processing. So once you click that, you now come here and create a password. So your password has to have a minimum of 10 characters, at least one uppercase character, at least one number, that's at least one capital letter now, at least one number, and at least one symbol. You can see the symbols there to choose from here. Okay, so you now put your password and make sure that all this place shows green. Okay, once you make sure that all this place shows, look at before it was black here. Okay, and once you put in a password that satisfies all these needs, it will show green, then you click continue. So when you click continue, it will show you that welcome to Realness, your account has been successfully created. So you just wait a little bit and then it will load, then it will come to this place. Welcome, please complete your application. You're almost here. So you're going to come here, then click personal profile. Once you click personal profile, you put in your name here exactly as shown on your ID document. Your first name, your last name, exactly as shown on your ID document, your date of birth, your nationality, your phone number, your time zone. Okay, your time zone. This optional, so just ignore it. But your phone number is very important. So if you scroll down, you see residential address. So you put in your street exactly as it is in your bank statement, please. Your country exactly as it is in your bank statement. If your bank statement doesn't have, just ignore it. But like you're going to put your country here, your state, your city, and postal code. Remember how I taught you to get postal code? If you don't know your postal code, just go online. What states are you staying in currently? If you're staying in Akwa Ibom, you're just going to type the postal code. Okay, so for your postal code, if you're from Akwa Ibom, you're just going to go on Google and type postal code for Akwa Ibom State. Okay, the number is going to come out. If you're from Lagos, same thing, just type for the state. Okay, so if you type for the state, it covers for the whole state, but like each location, each like let's say metropolis actually has its own, like inside Lagos now, there are like actually different postal codes inside. You understand? But like Lagos as a whole has a postal code for, you understand, like the state. So just to save you the stress, because going to start looking for your own postal code is actually very massive stress. So just get the postal code for the state and that's good. So postal code, you put that. Then this is where you're uploading the bank statement. Okay, remember I told you that I should have it as picture format, and for this one you can actually have it as PDF. Okay, For Payday, you're just going to need the picture format. So you can upload the PDF here if you have it. So you upload the PDF or the picture, anyone. And then remember, the address on the bank statement has to be the same that is here. Okay, so like that. So when you finish putting everything, you now come here, then click save. Okay, once you click save, you now go back to here. Once you click save, it's going to carry you back here. To carry you back to this place where you see personal profile, bank details, verify your identity. So bank details is the next thing. So once you click save, it will carry you back to then you click bank details, then you put in your bank, select your bank, put in the bank account number, the account name, then you enter your BVN here. Okay, so once you click your BVN, you click save. So now, so for some of you, okay, for some of you, when you click it, you might see this thing. Please ensure that your profile name matches the name on your bank account, or you'll see something like invalid error, or you might see internal server error. Okay, just like you put a correct, like a BVN that matches your bank account name and everything, and then they are telling you, okay, something like error or internal server error. What you're going to do, you're going to try again. That's the first thing you do. You try again. If it still shows the same thing, you try a different browser. Okay, I would advise you to try Mozilla Firefox or Brave, or both of them. If you try both of them and it's still showing the same error, you just wait for like 2 days, then try it again. It's going to work. Okay, so when it finally works, what you're going to see, bank details complete. So that is completed. So you're now going to come here and click verify your identity. So when you click verify your identity, okay, you see completed. So you now click here, you click this verify your identity. So when you click that, you're now going to come here and verify your identity. So you click start identity verification. Okay, so you're now going to click once you click start identity verification, you now tell you to choose any of this. So you're now going to select anyone you have, whether international passport or national identity. But me, I selected national identity. So when you select that, it will carry you here. Okay, then if you just scroll down a little bit, it'll now tell you, okay, it will carry here. So if you scroll down a little bit, they'll tell you next. Then it now ask you for, like, for your camera access, because they're actually going to take a selfie of you to prove that, okay, like it's actually the same person that's on the national or whatever document identity or documents you're giving them. So when you do that, they'll now tell you to take a selfie. So you're meant to put your head in here and make sure that the room is bright. Make sure everywhere is bright, please. I would advise you, like, go outside, or if you're in a room, make sure like two touches are pointing on your face, and like your face is clearly shown on the camera. Then you click take selfie. So they will now ask you, is this clear enough? Okay, make sure your face is clear enough and the photo is not blurry. So you now, if it's actually clear, you now click yes, use this one. So once you do that, you come and enter your NIN slip number, just the number. Once you enter that, you click continue. So once you click continue, it will carry you here. You'll be successfully verified immediately, or it might take some time. So it will carry you back to the dashboard, or not back, it will actually carry you to the dashboard. You've not seen the dashboard before. So once you enter the dashboard, you scroll down a bit, then this is what you'll see. You see your spendings, transactions, cards, and then virtual bank account. This place, virtual bank account. So you come here, click create. So once you click create, they will now ask you to choose whether it's USD or GBP or whatever. So you make sure that this place here is USD. Then you click create. So once you click create, this is your account. Your account details will be given to you. Okay, so this is your account holder name. This is your bank name, the account number, the routing number. Please, routing number is very, very important to know. Account number, routing number, and account type. Those three things are very, very important, because when you're going to be inputting your bank details into Amazon, when you're creating your Amazon account, these are the main things that you're going to be inputting. The account holder name, your name will be here, your bank name, this is the bank name that is hosting this account for you. The account number, your bank account number will be here, routing number is here, and then account type checking. Okay, so that is it. That is how to use the second alternative to create your USA bank account. So this is your own account number. You see, once you're done, your name will be here. Okay, so that is how to use the second alternative. So I'm so glad that I was able to explain this to you. And when you're creating your Amazon KDP account, you use these particular details for it. Okay. So thank you very much. And I still remain Coach Promise. So what I'm just going to tell you to do, okay, in the next video, I think the video after this, I'm going to be explaining to you how you're going to give away step one, the CP7 giveaway. Remember, from the outline, it's meant to be in 4 steps. Okay, so step one, the next video after this, I'm going to be giving you the video for step one. So my advice for you is please try and make sure you finish step one today. Okay, or at least before step two. Step two, I'll be sending the video for step two in the next 2 days. Okay, that's on day 3. Okay, so try and make sure you complete step one before step two, so that step two be easy for you, and then like that, so that step 3 will be easy for you, and you can finally finish at step 4 and go away with this massive. So try and make sure you finish step one, step two, and okay, try and make sure you finish step one. Like, make sure I'm done with the video. You may not do it today, okay, because some of you may not be able to do it today, but at least tomorrow you can try it, or maybe the morning, because the class for step where I'm going to be giving step two, it's in the evening of the day 3. Okay, so try and make sure you finish it at least before then, so that when I give the video for step 2, you wouldn't be, left you won't be left in the shadows. You actually be following and actually, know what to do. Okay, so thank you very much. I still remain Coach Promise.